The card in your wallet is costing you thousands of dollars, not in fees, but in lost value, free flights, hotel stays, experiences. In 2026, the credit card world is a chaotic battlefield of high fees and confusing benefits, a landscape deliberately designed to make you lose. But today, that ends. We've done the hard work to cut through the noise. This is your playbook for the absolute best cards, broken down into 5 simple categories to turn your spending into extraordinary value. This isn't just another list. This is a complete strategy guide, broken down for every stage of your financial journey. We will start with the fundamentals. For those just beginning, or anyone who refuses to pay an annual fee, we'll reveal the top no-fee cards that punch well above their weight. Chase Freedom Unlimited, Capital One, SavorOne. Build a strong credit foundation while earning serious rewards on daily purchases. Morning coffee, weekly groceries. Next, we move into the mid-tier sweet spot, the perfect balance of cost and benefit. This is where your rewards journey truly takes flight. Deep dive, Chase Sapphire Preferred, powerful travel portal and transfer partners. Its main competitor, Capital One Venture, which is the right co-pilot. One big trip a year, several smaller getaways. For high rollers and serious travelers, premium luxury. American Express Platinum, exclusive lounge access. High-end perks, rising annual fee. Head-to-head, Capital One Venture X. Incredible value at a lower price. We'll break down the math. Are these high fees worth it for your lifestyle? Finally, bringing it all together. Best cards for your biggest expense categories. Food, groceries, Spotlight, American Express Gold. Reveal, CardVantage Hybrid Trinity. Our 3-card strategy. Every purchase earns maximum points. A cohesive ecosystem covering every category. Launch your rewards into the stratosphere. Stick with us, and you'll never waste another point again. All right, let's start at the very beginning. This is the foundation. Before you even think about chasing elite status or accessing exclusive airport lounges, you need a solid base. The golden rule for beginners. Starting your credit journey, or just wanting to keep things simple. Avoid annual fees. An annual fee is a hurdle. It's a deficit you have to overcome with rewards to break even. For a beginner, that pressure is unnecessary. Build a positive credit history. Get comfortable using a card responsibly. Earn valuable rewards without paying for the privilege. Think of it as getting paid to learn the game. The beauty of a no annual fee card is its purity. No complex calculations to justify cost. No pressure to overspend on travel to make a fee worthwhile. A simple, powerful tool that works for you from day one. Keep it open forever. It lengthens your average age of accounts, a key credit factor. Closing cards can hurt your score. With a $0 fee, there's never a reason to cancel. The ultimate low-risk, high-reward entry point. Into the world of points and miles, focus on the upside. Don't fall for flashy premium cards and ads. They often require big spending to earn the bonus. And a lifestyle that justifies a hefty annual fee year after year. Starting with a no-fee card is strategic. It helps you build a relationship with a major bank like Chase or Capital One, opening doors to premium products later. Play the long game. Build a strong financial foundation that supports your reward strategy for decades. We're focusing on 2 of the best no annual fee cards in 2026. These aren't just starter cards. They can stay in your wallet permanently. Card 1, the all-arounder. Great return on everything. Card 2, the lifestyle enthusiast. Rewards you for going out and enjoying life. These 2 cards are the pinnacle of value in the no-fee space. First up is the undisputed champion of everyday spending, the Chase Freedom Unlimited. If you could only have one no annual fee card, this might be it. Its core strength is simplicity and consistency. For years, the standard was a meager 1% back. The Freedom Unlimited shatters that expectation by offering a baseline of 1.5% cash back on every purchase. That extra 0.5% might not sound like much, but over thousands in annual spending, it adds up to meaningful cash, or better yet, valuable points for travel. The 1.5% floor is just the beginning. The card truly shines in its bonus categories. 5% back on travel booked through the Chase travel portal. 3% back on dining at restaurants. 3% back at drugstores. Phenomenal for a no annual fee card. Elevated returns on a big chunk of your daily expenses. Grabbing lunch with coworkers, booking a weekend hotel getaway, purchases outside those categories still earn 1.5% back. Let's talk sign-up bonus. For a no-fee card, it's remarkably generous. $300 cash back. After $500 spent in the first 3 months, that's about a 60% return on initial spending. One of the easiest bonuses to hit. Makes the card a no-brainer right away. Free money for purchases you'd make anyway. That bonus can cover a domestic flight or a few hotel nights. Who is this card for? Almost everyone. Perfect first card for a student or a young professional building credit while earning rewards. Essential component for advanced users. Pair it with a premium Chase card like the Sapphire Preferred. Strategy covered later. Convert cash back into full travel points. Dramatically increases value. The Chase Freedom Unlimited is the ultimate utility player. Reliable, valuable, incredibly versatile. Next, the Lifestyle Earner, Capital One SavorOne. This card is laser-focused on rewarding your lifestyle spending. Its headline feature is unlimited 3% cash back on dining, grocery stores, popular streaming services, and entertainment. Plus, a huge 8% on Capital One Entertainment. Everything else earns 1%. If your budget is heavy on food and experiences, the SavorOne will likely earn you more rewards than any other no-fee card. For the ultimate beginner strategy, pair it with the Freedom Unlimited to maximize every dollar spent. Welcome to the mid-tier, the sweet spot of travel rewards. For a modest annual fee around $95, you unlock disproportionate value. This fee is your entry ticket to huge sign-up bonuses and the ability to transfer points to airline and hotel partners. The key to luxury travel for less. The Chase Sapphire Preferred is for maximizers, with powerful bonus categories and transfer partners. Its competitor, the Capital One Venture, offers simplicity, earning 2x miles on everything. If you take even one trip a year, a mid-tier card pays for itself many times over. For travel maximizers, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is the benchmark. It starts with a big sign-up bonus, worth at least $750 in travel through the Chase portal, thanks to a 25% boost. But the real magic is transferring points to partners like United and Hyatt for incredible value. It earns 5x on portal travel and 3x on dining. With a $95 annual fee and key travel protections, it's the perfect starting point for your reward strategy. For those who crave simplicity, there is an outstanding alternative, the Capital One Venture Rewards credit card. Earn a flat 2 miles on every single dollar you spend, on every purchase, everywhere. Redeeming is just as easy. Book any travel you want, then use your miles to erase the purchase from your statement at a fixed value of 1 cent per mile. With a $95 annual fee, it's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it travel card for anyone who values ease of use above all else. We've covered the foundation and the sweet spot. Now, we ascend to the highest echelon of the credit card world. This is the premium luxury tier. Credit cards here are no longer just payment tools. They become keys to exclusive access, unparalleled service, elite status. These cards carry substantial annual fees, often past $700, and as of 2026, approaching $900. This isn't for the casual traveler or the faint of heart. This is for the high roller, the road warrior, the executive who practically lives in an airport, anyone who demands the absolute best and will pay for it. The value proposition shifts dramatically. Sign-up bonuses remain massive. But long-term justification is the ecosystem of lifestyle benefits. Complimentary access to global airport lounges. Automatic elite status with hotel chains. Hilton, Marriott. Room upgrades. Late checkouts. Hundreds, sometimes thousands, in annual statement credits. Airline fees. Uber rides. Luxury retail purchases. A level of comfort and convenience that redefines travel. Not just pieces of plastic. Heavy, meticulously crafted metal slabs, status backed by tangible, calculable value. The annual fee looks intimidating on paper. For the right person, credits and benefits can offset the cost, often net positive before counting points. The math is crucial. You must actually use the perks. Paying for benefits you never touch is the fastest way to lose. This category suits lifestyles that align perfectly with the perks. Next, the card that created this category, the American Express Platinum Card. We'll explore its benefits and test it against its staggering 2026 fee. Then, the biggest disruptor, the Capital One Venture X, a premium experience for a fraction of the cost. The ultimate showdown for the discerning traveler, status meets smart financial sense. The American Express Platinum Card is an icon of travel luxury, but in 2026, its annual fee is $695. So, is it worth it? For a specific traveler, yes. The real value is its unparalleled lounge access, the most comprehensive anywhere. A labyrinth of statement credits for airlines, Uber, and hotels can dramatically lower that fee. It's for frequent flyers who value premium lounge access and can naturally integrate the card's many credits into their spending. The Capital One Venture X is the smart money disruptor. For a $395 annual fee, it offers a simple, powerful value proposition. You get a $300 annual travel credit through the Capital One portal, plus a 10,000-mile anniversary bonus worth at least $100. That means the card effectively pays for itself. You also get unlimited lounge access for you and 2 guests to Capital One and Priority Pass lounges, and earn a simple 2 miles per dollar on everything. For most people, the Venture X is the smarter choice for accessible luxury. Next, your biggest spending category, food. From groceries to dining out, this is a massive, often overlooked opportunity for rewards. Using a basic card here leaves incredible value on the table. The champion is the American Express Gold Card, offering 4EX points on dining and at U.S. supermarkets. Its $325 annual fee is offset by new targeted credits, like a $100 Resy Credit and an $84 Dunkin Credit, perfect for high spenders on food. For a no annual fee alternative, the Citi Custom Cash Card is uniquely flexible. It gives you 5% cash back on your top eligible spending category each month, like groceries or restaurants. For daily spending on food and groceries, the American Express Gold Card reigns supreme. It's a powerhouse, earning a massive 4 times points at restaurants worldwide and at U.S. supermarkets, turning your largest expenses into a travel rewards engine. The $325 annual fee is easily offset. You now get statement credits such as a $100 Resy Credit and an $84 Dunkin Credit, practical offsets if you dine out or grab coffee regularly, lowering your effective cost significantly. If you spend heavily on food and use delivery apps, this card is an absolute must-have. For a powerful no-fee alternative, the Citi Custom Cash is an innovative solution. It automatically gives you 5% cash back on your top eligible spend category each billing cycle, on up to $500. This makes it the ultimate chameleon card. One month, it's your grocery card. The next, it's your gas card. This flexibility is perfect for moderate spenders or as a specialist card in a multi-card strategy, proving you don't need an annual fee for a fantastic return. The winning strategy isn't one card, but a cohesive team. We call it the CardVantage Hybrid Trinity: Chase Sapphire Preferred, Chase Freedom Unlimited, and the American Express Gold Card. This trio creates a nearly perfect ecosystem, combining the strengths of Chase and Amex. Use Sapphire for travel, Gold for food, and Freedom for everything else. It's a deliberate strategy designed to leave no point behind. Having the right cards is only half the battle. Knowing precisely when to use each one is what unlocks their true potential. The rules of engagement for the Hybrid Trinity are simple and based on a clear hierarchy of earning potential. Your goal is to instinctively reach for the card that offers the highest multiplier for the purchase in front of you. It might take a week or two to build the habit, but soon it will become second nature and the points will start pouring in. Let's break down the exact playbook for your wallet. First, Amex Gold is your default for all food-related spending. This is non-negotiable. Restaurant: use Amex Gold for 4EX points. Cafe: use Amex Gold for 4EX points. Bar: use Amex Gold for 4X points. U.S. supermarket groceries: Amex Gold for 4x points. Keep Amex Gold at the front of your wallet for daily transactions. Turn your biggest budget category into your biggest source of points. Next, book travel with Chase Sapphire Preferred. Flights, log into Chase Ultimate Rewards Portal for 5x points. Hotels, log into Portal for 5x points. Rental cars, log into Portal for 5x points. For travel purchases, you can't book in the portal. Use Sapphire. Train ticket bought direct. Sapphire for 2x and travel insurance. Ride sharing abroad. Sapphire for 2x and travel insurance. Sapphire is your travel commander. Plan, protect, and book with it. Finally, everything else goes on Chase Freedom Unlimited. Think of it as your utility player. Hardware store. Freedom Unlimited for 1.5x points. Monthly subscriptions not covered by other cards. Freedom Unlimited. Clothes shopping online. Freedom Unlimited. Every dollar on Freedom earns a minimum of 1.5 points once transferred to your Sapphire account. That's 50% more than a standard 1% card. There is never a bad purchase. Every transaction fills gaps in your earning strategy. Let's prove this with some quick math. Imagine a realistic monthly spend of $2,000. On a standard 1.5% cashback card, you'd earn $360 for the year. Not bad. But with the Hybrid Trinity, that same spending earns over 67,000 high-value points. At a conservative 2 cents per point, that's over $1,300 in travel value. After accounting for annual fees and credits, you're left with a net profit of over $1,200. That's more than triple the value of the simple cashback card, all for the same spending. And there you have it, your 2026 playbook. We've covered the 5 key categories, from no-fee starter cards to premium travel perks. The key is building a small team of cards that work for you. Take a look at your spending, use these principles, and build the wallet that aligns with your goals. Stop wasting points. Start traveling more. We've placed links to all the cards mentioned in the description below. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next guide. Until next time, spend smart.